Put your hands together. Big breath in, man. Big breath. Holy cow. Oh, that hurts. Whew.
Now I understand why everybody says it hurts so good.
It does hurt so good.
Oh, man.
A lot of heat, right?
Yeah. That was exactly what I needed, though.
Mm-hmm. It's going to open up that mid-back for you.
Yeah.
Let it be loose. Let it be loose. Let it be loose.
Oh.
Man, that wrist was bad.
I never had that done before. The mid back definitely let go. I feel a little bit lighter,
A little looser?
honestly.
Good. That's what we want, man.